Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best mobile phone lens on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. SANYK S3x Mobile Phone Lens. SANYK 4K 3x Phone Telephoto Lens Multi-Layer Coating Portrait Lens without distortion is professional zoom lens with the most advanced angle of view in mobile phone genre. It is easy to carry and operate with this multi-function lens. Its maximum angle of view is 150 degrees, which means that the scene is large and vivid. SANYK 3x mobile phone lens is easy to install and remove that fits most of mobile phone. It is a small telephoto lens which is compact and portable. With this 3x zoom lens, your mobile photography will be more wonderful. It holds in your wallet or pocket. And it is easy to install and remove. Number 4. APEXEL APL HDAN Mobile Phone Lens. The APEXEL APL HDAN is a high-definition lens designed for mobile phones. The APEXEL APL HDAN is suitable for shooting video, taking photos and shooting movies for phones at an affordable price. This anamorphic lens will project your wide 88-degree angle of view to a movie theater filling 70mm image. With this lens, you can shoot crisp, clear and distortion-free images, which is perfect for filming vlogs and documentaries. The APEXEL anamorphic lens is suitable for widescreen mobile phones and other cell phone cameras. The lens is made of high-transparency glass, which helps produce high-quality videos suitable for panorama and widescreen shooting. The lens has been designed to reduce system aberration, which enhances light transmission and produces sharp images, even at the edges of the image. Number 3. Ulanzi Mobile Phone Lens. Ulanzi has made a name for itself in the mobile phone lens market, gaining popularity for its affordable, yet high-quality lenses. The 17mm 10x macro lens enables you to get up close and personal with what's in front of you. Ulanzi's lens offers 10x macro lens which gives you the ability to take super close-up photos of anything. Get amazing close-up photos of flowers, insects, coins and jewelry. This lens comes with a clip that is compatible with all mobile phones. Macro lens is great for taking detailed photos of insects, jewelry, coins and more. If you are looking for an affordable macro lens for your smartphone that offers both quality and convenience, the Ulanzi lens is the way to go. Once you use this macro lens, you won't want to be seen in public without it. Number 2. TONGDAYTECH Mobile Phone Lens. TONGDAYTECH's amazing camera lens extends your mobile phone camera's zoom capability and increases the focal length of your mobile phone camera from the wide angle to the telephoto. Made from high-quality metal. It attaches to your mobile phone camera and gives you a more clear and sharper shot. The lenses are convex, allowing you to get a wider view. The macro lens increases the focal length of your cell phone camera, making it easier to get a close-up of the object. The 28x zoom lens has a macro lens that allows you to take very close-up photos. The lens you will receive will be the same as the one shown in the pictures. This is a great lens for your smartphone. The lens is perfect for close-ups, reading small print, or even taking professional-looking interior shots. The macro lens puts your subject right in your hands, with a minimum focusing distance of 5 centimeters. The fisheye lens reduces the focal length, giving you a wide-angle, distorted image. If you are looking for a good quality lens, you have come to the right place. Number 1. APEXEL HB100mm Mobile Phone Lens. The APEXEL HB100mm is a smartphone lens that lets you take clear and sharp macro shots with your mobile phone. The universal clip design is suitable for smartphones with a width less than equal to 7.5 centimeters and a camera with a focal length of less than 18 millimeters. The lens kit with a CPL star filter is suitable for taking clear and impressive photographs. This is a high-quality 4K lens, and it is extremely easy to use. APEXEL HB100mm mobile phone lens is a must-have mobile phone accessory for those who are constantly on the move and take photos on the go. Designed for mobile phone lens camera, it is compatible for iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and most smartphones. The macro lens can be used for shooting details, such as flowers and insects. By connecting the macro lens to the phone camera, you get a close-up lens that allows you to shoot images like a pro. 100mm macro lens with 4K HD Super Macro Lenses CPL Star Filter for iPhone XXS Max Samsung S9 All smartphones. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.